Hello, welcome to Hands on Math. Today I'm going to be teaching something called the hand game. So, something that I would recommend for anybody that's going to be getting started teaching their kids, whether it's through homeschooling or using the Coyote Willow Family School, is the Base 10 Starter Kit Set. They have bigger sets than this. The reason why I got this one is because it's the most affordable. So if you don't have a lot to spend, this is the basic set that gets you at least one cube, which is good for when you get into multiplication, because numbers will, when you start multiplying, the numbers add up quickly. They do have sets that have like 3 cubes in them, and I think that that's probably what I'll purchase next, but I want to set up with that. If you don't have money to start a base 10 kit, then I will try to find a link to someone who has already created a document that you can just print and color the little pieces and print them out, so that way you can see the hands-on units and tenths that are consecuted out. Okay, so the reason why we start level 1 with 3 cubes is because of this. When we have 1, it's pretty obvious. How many are under my hand?
1.
That's right. How many are under my hand?
0.
Okay, and then same thing with 2. It's pretty easy. How many are under my hand?
2.
How many are under my hand? 1. How many are under my hand?
0. 2.
Let's check in to see if you're paying attention. Okay, so now we're going to do level 1 with 3 cubes. So we go like this. I know, we're just teasing me. Okay, so how many are in my hand? Okay, don't be silly. Okay, so how many are under my hand? That's right. So I start by showing them in my hand, then showing it covered, because I want to make sure that we're on the same page. So the reason why we start at 3, even if your kids may know 5, 6, or 7, is we want to make sure that they're getting it without counting. We want to make sure that they really have that strong number sense and that they really own the numbers. And so we're going to go ahead and show 3 now. Ready? How many are under my hand? That's right. How many are under my hand? 1. How many under my hand? Good. Okay, so whenever we move up 1 at a time. So you may spend a day or 2 days or a whole week on the same number. Only move at the pace that your kid is ready for, because we don't want them to have a hard time with it. It should be really easy. It should flow. So you'll be able to know right away if you're moving up too fast, because if you move a number and they're really having to think hard about it, then it means that they weren't quite ready. So now we're going to do 4. So how many am I going to do?
4.
That's right. So how many are under my hand?
4.
Good. Okay, ready? How many are under my hand?
3.
Good. How many are under my hand?
1.
Good. How many are under my hand?
2.
That's right. Good job. Okay, so this is something that's really cool. You may not realize it, but you are teaching your child 3 different things. You're teaching them that 2 plus 2 is how many?
4.
That's right. You're also teaching them that 4, please stop. You're teaching that 4 take away 2 equals the 2 that's here. And you're also starting, so addition and subtraction, and then you're also teaching them the entrance to algebra. In our family, we call it the mystery number. So we say 2 plus what mystery number equals 4. And so they're solving the mystery. That's 2. It's just the same as a berry roll, but we just say mystery. It sounds a lot more exciting. Okay, so there's one final concept that we need to teach, and we're going to do that with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how many am I going to be using?
6.
That's right. So how many are under my hand?
6.
That's right. Good. Okay, so how many are under my hand?
2.
That's right, because 2 plus 4 equals 6. How many are under my hand? Whoops. Let's try that again. How many are under my hand?
1.
That's right, 1. Because 6, take away this 5, equal 1. How many are under my hand? Ready? Let's try that. How many are under my hand?
6.
What number are we doing right now?
6.
That's right, 6. And we have how many out? Good. So how many are hiding under here?
3.
That's right. So this is how you can do the algebra. 3 plus what mystery number equals 6? And then they would say 3. Okay, this is the final concept to teach. Ready? How many are under my hand? So if you look, 6 is the first time when she had like a little bit of a pause. It's because 6 is a little bit harder to visualize right away without counting. So that's when you ask your student, that's right, 0. So that's when you ask your student, would you like to make a cut? And they say,
yes or no?
Yeah. And so she said yes. And so this is where she made her cut. Celeste made her cut for her 6 between 3 and 3. So she was able to see that 0 or under here because 6 were out. So she could have done it any way she wants to. She can have 4 and 2, she can have 5 and 1. You just ask them, do you want to make a cut? Or they might start doing it on their own after you've played this game for a while. And then they notice. So those are the basic rules of the hand game. Thank you so much for joining in. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and make them in the comment section below. And I hope you have a great day.